Hyper VS2 on 4S, stock pinion, and pretty much a stock power system really. Wow, drives really nice. Very tight around the corners. Predictable so far. Good power. That's full pace right there. So not crazy on 4S. Very manageable, very linear. Wow, it drives so good. Picked up something, rubbing somewhere. There it is at the back. Get rid of that. Flip it the other way. Let's go right. Ooh, what happened there? Uh-oh, I've got something stuck on my wheel. Yep, alright. Let's fix that up and then take it on some jumps. Now I'm kind of predicting that these tyres will work well on the gravel, so let's see if I'm right or not. Yep, I think I am. Fine pin tyres rarely end up being bad on this type of surface. I don't know why, but the fine pin stuff just works really well. Look at that, plenty of speed. You can really see how fast it is on 4S here. Wow, this is a really nice handling buggy. This is really good. Bit of a whip. Gotta say, for a first HoBao buggy that I've had, this is impressive. It's one of those things where it's like, why haven't I had one of these before? I should have got one of these years ago. Man, this thing is nice. Mind you, I'm using pretty much a stock power system from HoBao, which I took out of the Hyper MT Plus 2. I'm also using the servo from that truck. I think it's from that truck, unless it's from the MTX. It's one of those. So I'm not using any high-end gear, like, you know, aftermarket gear. And this, oh wow, I mean on 6S it's probably going to be a bit much, but wow, most impressive. In the words of Darth Vader, most impressive. This thing is insane. Alright, let's go bigger. Okay. Good thing is today we've actually got some tailwind, so the wind's in our favour. Oh, of course, straight into the pit. Look at that. Oh, something's come off. Something's come off. A shock's come off? What's happened? The screw back out? I think I just lost a screw. Or did I snap a screw? No, wait, what's happened here? Wow, it looks like, look at that. Both screws snapped off clean. Or at least, no, wait. Did these just pop back on? Is that how they are? I didn't even realise. I think they just popped back on. Nope, yep, we're good. Alright, might have to fix that, change that scenario. Big air, clears the double. so nice. It's so nice. Oh, see, look at that. They've popped out again. That's disappointing and annoying. Pop and pop. So I gotta figure out a way to stop that from happening. So smooth on the other side, so smooth. I reckon I could probably go another tooth or two on the pinion. It's so smooth. It's a very smooth car. And there it is again, the shocks have come off. Alright, we're gonna call it. I need to fix this before coming back here, because this is annoying. Every half a dozen jumps these things pop out, and that's really annoying. There we go. Alright, so the Hyper VS2, definitely one of the nicer buggies I've driven out of the box, that's for sure. The setup is just sublime. I love this thing, but I got to fix that front shock issue. That's something that I need to address before driving this thing again, because it's just going to keep happening and it's probably going to get worse, and I'm going to end up wrecking the car at some point. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.